morning, my dear children. Sairam, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Now, children, I welcome you all in today's class. Children, today we are going to do conversation. Children, we have already done this topic at the beach. Okay, we have already done this topic at the beach. And today we will revise this topic. Okay, we will do revision of the topic at the beach. At the beach. Okay, children? This is a beach scene. See, this is a beach scene. You can see water here, people here. No? Yes. So, what is this? This is a beach scene. Now, children, today we will learn that what are the things we see at the beach. So, let's start. Now, children, first of all, what do we see at the beach? We see water. No? Yes, we see water. Now, children, what are these? See, what are these? These are water waves. These are water waves. Like this. Yes, these are water waves. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. 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 Okay, children? Now, children, what is this? This is an umbrella. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella keeps us safe from the sunlight at the beach. Okay. What is this? Umbrella. This is an umbrella. Umbrella. Yes. Now, children, what this girl is wearing? See. This is a swimsuit. Swimsuit. This girl is wearing swimsuit. Swimsuit. S-W-I-M. Swim. Swim. S-U-I-T. Suit. Swim. Suit. Swim. Suit. We wear swimsuit for swimming. Okay. We wear swimsuit for swimming. Swimsuit. Now, children, what is this? This is a mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat. People lay down on the mat. What is this? This is a mat. Mat. Yes. Now, children, see what is this? What is this? This is a sand castle. Sand castle. Okay. We make castle from the sand. Yes. Children make castle from the sand. Yes. So, what is this? Sand castle. Sand castle. S-A-N-D. Sand. Sand. You see sand at the beach, no? Yes. Sand. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Sand castle. Sand castle. Yes. Now, children, what they are doing? See what they are doing? Boating. Boating. What is this? This is a boat, no? Yes. And what they are doing on boat? Boating. Boating. B-O-A-T-I-N-G. Boating. 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 Yes. Now, children. Now, children, what is this? This is an oar. Oar. O-A-R. Oar. Oar. With the help of oar, we do boating. Okay, what is this? This is an oar. Oar. Yes. Now, children, what is this? See? What is this? This is a steam boat. Steam boat. S-T-E-A-M What is this? Steamboat. Steamboat. Yes. Now children, what is this? See? This is a starfish. Starfish. S-T-A-R. Star. Star. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. Starfish. Starfish. Okay. Its shape is like star. Have you seen star, children? Have you seen star? Yes, we all have seen star in the sky, no? Yes. So what is this? Starfish. Starfish. Yes, my dear children. Now children, what is this? This is a seashell. Seashell. S-E-A. Sea. This is sea. See, this is sea. Seashell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. This is shell. Seashell. 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 Okay, seashell. Yes, my children. Now children, what is this? See? Life boy. Life boy. L-I-F-E. Life. Life. B-U-O-Y. Boy. Life boy. Life boy. We wear life boy while swimming. Okay, children wear life boy while swimming. Yes, it keeps us safe from the waves, high waves. Yes, so what is this? Life boy. Life boy. Yes. Now children, what is this? This is an ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. I-C-E. Ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. P-A-R-L-O-U-R. Parlor. Ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Yes, ice cream parlor. We buy ice cream from ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Yes. Now children, who is this? Who is this? This is a balloon man. Balloon man. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Balloon. These are balloons, no? Yes, he is selling balloons. So he is a balloon man. M-A-N. Man. Balloon man. Balloon man. Yes. Now children, we will discuss some question answers, okay? So the first question is, what do the vendors sell at the beach? What do the vendors sell at the beach? What do the vendors sell, children? Yes, ice cream and balloons. Very good. Answer is, the vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. Very good. Now children, second question. What do children do on the beach? What do children do on the beach? What do children do? Yes, they make sand castles. Very good. Answer is they make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. Very good, children. Now again we will revise. First question is, what do the vendors sell at the beach? Okay, and the answer is the vendors sell ice cream and balloons. The vendors sell ice cream and balloons. Yes, now children, second question. What do children do on the beach? What do children do on the beach? Answer is they make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. They make sand castles on the beach. Yes. Now children, next question. What do we wear for swimming? What do we wear for swimming, children? Yes? Swimsuit. Yes. So the answer is we wear swimsuit for swimming. We wear swimsuit for swimming. We wear swimsuit for swimming. Okay, children? So fourth question. What are the things you see at the beach? What are the things you see at the beach, children? Water, yes, and sand, yes, and umbrella, yes. So the answer is we see umbrella, sand, and water. We see umbrella, sand, and water. We see umbrella, sand, and water. Very good, children. Now again we will revise. Question third. What do we wear for swimming? What do we wear for swimming? Answer is we wear swimsuit for swimming. We wear swimsuit for swimming. We wear swimsuit for swimming. Yes. Now fourth question, children. What are the things you see at the beach? What are the things you see at the beach, children? Yes. Answer is we see umbrella, sand, and water. We see umbrella, sand, and water. We see umbrella, sand, and water. Now children, your homework is you have to learn all the question answers, okay? And you have to revise the topic, children. Okay? Now children, that's all for today. Thank you and Sai Ram.